Alrighty, friends, check this out. Today we're going to do a truck. What are the women? Truck makeover. That's what them women get all the time. They get a makeover. So today we're gonna transform this truck here into a Tonka truck. There's my little inspiration right there. That ain't the Tonka, but that's a little cat. But that white truck will look pretty all yellow like that. I think so anyways. So today, that truck has been actually in the resting yard for 8 or 10 years. We pulled start that truck there and it fired right up there. And it runs as good today as it did 8 years ago. So there's the truck. We're gonna do a little power washing on it. My coveralls and jacket's pretty dirty anyways, so I figured I could give the truck a good wash and take a bath myself there. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. That is a pylon low boy trailer there. We got the deck stripped off of it. They're gonna put a new deck on it. The real slick trick there is if you're gonna pull start a truck with air brakes, make sure you got some air in the truck there. Once you get the truck started there, kind of hard to get it stopped. But luckily my pull truck was right in front of me and I rammed it in the ass end there, and that got me stopped there pretty quick. There you go, ain't that a beauty? You gotta love these Honda motors there. You pull them out of the garage there after they've been sitting for about a year. Crank on them about twice and they start right up there. What's not to like about a good Honda motor that starts up in a couple of cranks? Here we're gonna power washer there. See if we can't knock some of the dirt off of it. Then we'll probably sand her down, do a little rust work there and a little bondo. See if we can't turn that baby into a little Tonka truck. Here we go. Some of the paint off of it. Do a whole lot less sanding. I'll give it a quick once over there and y'all check it out. Well, I think all in all, for a quick once over, I did a pretty good job on it. hit the side here. There, you can see how bad shape that is. There's the before. Hope y'all see that sun's in my eye. It's pretty black and pretty rough. We'll hit that with a power washer once. See if we can't bring her back to life. Actually, I am amazed at how well that it's doing there. We are using the 15-degree nozzle on the power washer there. We're trying to knock it all off. Trying to blast off all the rust and the paint with it. You can see the little spots I've hit and the spots I've not hit. We've done a really good job so far. I'm impressed. Seems like that's a really super slick. Y'all like my artwork? Look at the transformation of the hood. The one on the left that hasn't been hit yet, and the one on the right has. Sure gonna make sanding and the grinding a lot easier. All in all, she's starting to take shape. We did do a lot better job blasting it off on that side than it did this time. Oh well, every little bit helps. We got one more side to go there. Well, there you are. I think all in all, she cleaned up really nice. That's the funny thing about life. You never know where you're going to get your inspiration from. But if you've ever gotten yourself into a mess like this before, leave a comment below how it turned out there. We hope we can get the old truck, which it runs good. No doubt about that. We hope we get her cleaned up and painted up like a little Tonka truck. We think all we need to do on the trailer is just blast it one time there, maybe. And we put a coat of yellow paint on her. Put some good 2x8 and 2x10 decking here on it. Some running boards down the middle or something. See if we can't get her on the road again. Y'all, thanks for watching. Remember to stay safe. And we'll see you on the other side. We appreciate it. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button now. Show a little love. And if you don't like it, then hit the thumbs down button twice, sir, to make sure you did it. Thanks. Bye.